Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. Today we're going to talk about solo mining, a little ramp and run action over on MININGRigRentals.com. We did use 2miners.com and their Ethereum solo pool. As always, guys, we're going to have links in the description down below. Walk you through this kind of stuff. Solo mining is not recommended, guys. I can't stress that enough. Solo mining is not recommended. I do not recommend going to places like Mining Rig Rentals or NiceHash and just throwing tons and tons at it, because there's times that you can go and you can never find blocks. And always, guys, we're going to have videos in the upper right hand corner, lots of different reasons why, showing you why solo mining is not recommended. Please as always do your own research. In the description down below I'm going to have links to this stuff. Mining Grid Rentals is a place that a lot of people will use for a lot of different reasons. Some people don't have access to certain hardware, so they could go on here and maybe find a rig that uses those GPUs or find an ASIC that is that hardware. Some people don't have access to the electricity that's needed to run some of this stuff. I mean, not everybody's got 220 or the equivalent in their home. Some people want to do tests like we do on different mining pools or different ways of mining. Our little hashers, as always, they say solo mining is not recommended. Like we said, guys, it's very, the chance of finding a blocks, you could find a lot, you could find not a lot, but you could go extreme lengths of time without finding blocks. But we have been using Mining Rig Rentals a lot here recently, as well as 2miners.com, their solo Ethereum pool. We are a cryptocurrency mining based channel focusing on pool testings, solo mining, miner program testings, how to, all sorts of different things involved with mining. We did go ahead and build that remote garden location so we could show you guys everything we did as far as electric updates and heat removals for scaling up. And that is with multiple GPU and ASIC mining rigs. There's a picture of our remote garden location. When we are using mining rig rentals, it's nice. There's a lot of different ways you can mine. We do like the ability to choose all sorts of different algorithms here and all sorts of different coins that you can pay for those. Anytime we're doing any type of mining, whether it's solo mining, pool mining, or whatever, I do always head over to MININGPOOLSTATS.STREAM first. A couple things I like about this is you can see the pool fees. That's something very important. You got to know how much the pool is going to rake in for your work. It does cost money to run a pool, but there are different pools that have different pool fees. Make sure you check those out. Also, you can see the minimum payouts. That's another thing that's very important. If you don't reach that minimum payout, you aren't getting paid. You can also see the miners online, 7-day history. You can see who's ramping and running. Some stuff that in the upper right hand corner, we're going to have a video, ramp and run, explaining to that a little bit more to you. Net percentage of network hash rate, you can see who found the last block, how far they've been behind on blocks, all sorts of different things. I do also like to send you, especially if you're solo mining, to 2cryptocalc.com. You can punch in your hash rate on your favorite algos here, and it's going to give you an estimate on time to find block. And when we say estimate, guys, it's an estimate. You can go multiple times without finding a block. You can never find a block. And I'm dead serious, guys. We're getting ready to do a video on luck here. We're going to show you our luck over our rentals recently, and we're going to show you some luck of some other miners. Oh no, that's right, because our little hashers, they do say solo mining is not recommended, and the reason for it, once again, we'll have videos in the upper right hand corner showing you why. So here's a couple rentals that we've had over on MININGRigRentals.com. Do want to say thank you to Lucky Services for providing great service. In the description down below, we will have a link over to their Discord. But you can see here, 150 gigahash, 40 gigahash per second for 3 hours. Great RPIs on these, as they should. You can see well over where we need to be. Once again, thank you to Lucky Services for providing great service. We are going to take you over to our mining address over here on Ethereum Solo Pool 2miners.com. We'll go down here and we will show you the reward. We do want to show you the reward here. 1:33, 1:38 a.m. That's right, that's two, count them, 2 blocks using 190 gigahash per second over on MININGRigRentals.com. As always, guys, solo mining is not recommended. You could go extreme lengths of time without finding blocks, but you can see we have been using the ramp and run technique. Some people call it burst. So that's what we've been talking with you about today. As always, in the description down below, there's going to be a link. You can follow us over on Twitter. You can also speak to us directly over in Discord, and that's where you're going to want to find this video right here. We'll have a link in the description down below, but we're thanking the community for that 1,000 subscribers. So you guys better hit the descriptions down below and check out all those links. But today we've been talking with you about solo mining and we did hit count them two solo blocks over on 2miners.com using 190 gigahash per second. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Thank you.